This is an installation video for NinjaTrader7 digital license from Closeview Trading's signature series. Please watch this video carefully as there are quite exacting but easy setup steps to install your new custom indicator. And these steps must be followed in the correct order. First up, you will have received a file containing your digital license via an FTP link sent to you in an email. Extract or save the file contained in the FTP link and save off on your computer or digital storage device to a safe place where you can easily retrieve it in the next step. Next, ensure that your NinjaTrader7 platform is closed. Navigate from your computer desktop to Documents, double-click NinjaTrader7 folder, double-click the folder named Bin, double-click the folder named Custom. Next step is to now copy and paste the DLL file sent to you into the custom folder from where you have it saved on your device. If you have followed these steps, your custom tool will now be populated in your NT7 indicator directory next time you open the platform. With your NT7 platform open, let's step through how to load your custom tool to a chart. On the main menu bar of any chart, select Indicators to pull up the indicator directory. Select the tool CT Signature Gann Fan SpeedKeys. It will be under C in the directory. Highlight it, press New, then OK, and you'll see it has been loaded to a chart. Alter points per bar via this on-screen points per bar panel. Alter direction via this on-screen arrow panel. If you elect to use more than one SpeedKey tool on any one chart, you may want to make life easy for yourself and color code the panels. This can be done via the Properties panel located in the Indicators directory. For line display changes to your fan properties, best user tip is to create a preferred default of the Gann fan. You do this by going to the Drawing Tools panel from the main menu bar on the chart, select Gann Fan, select Properties, select the line properties that you desire. Now set Default, Apply and OK. Whatever is your saved default for the Gann Fan in the Drawing Tools panel is the Gann Fan display that will default as part of this tool. Once loaded, you should avoid using the Properties panel of the Gann Fan for directional and points per bar changes, as these will now be handled on screen.